Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPad Air 2020 to Apple device. Firstly, open App Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it, click Allow, and OK. You want to go with Receive on Apple device and Send on iPad. Choose files that you want to send. I will go with this photo, so I have to click on it and click Send. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will tap to scan and scan the code. Click OK. And now, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!